The Lamborghini LB744 is the first HPEV, high-performance electrified vehicle, hybrid super sports car. This new model boasts an all-new architecture and powertrain that delivers over 1,000 CV, which is more than any previous Lamborghini vehicle. This power is generated by a new 12-cylinder internal combustion engine, 3 electric motors, and a double-clutch gearbox that makes its debut on the 12-cylinder Lamborghini. The LB744's layout is unprecedented, with a 6.5-liter V12 engine mid-mounted and complemented by 3 electric motors, one of which is integrated into the new double-clutch 8-speed gearbox. The car can also be turned into a purely electric vehicle, reducing overall CO2 emissions by 30%. The LB744 introduces an unprecedented hybrid architecture and a new generation of V12. The car is launched as the very first high-performance electrified vehicle, HPEV, a plug-in hybrid super sports car equipped with a lightweight high-power lithium-ion battery, housed within the transmission tunnel in the central section of the chassis. The engine puts out 825 CV at 9,250 revs per minute thanks to the redesigned distribution system that supports a maximum reverend range of 9,500 revolutions per minute. The LB744 also features 4-wheel drive, with a pair of electric motors supplying traction to the front wheels and a third motor positioned above the 8-speed double-clutch gearbox that can supply power to the rear wheels. The battery is a lithium-ion high-specific power battery pack that is situated within the central tunnel and is connected to the front electric motors, the rear electric motor, and an integrated recharging unit. It has a capacity of 3.8 kilowatt-hours and can be recharged using both ordinary domestic alternating and charging column current up to 7 kilowatts in power, completely recharging in just 30 minutes.